Hey, how you doing, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and what I have for you today is one from TwoSun. This is the TS298, and I've had this in my wish list on their site for quite a while now because it was unavailable, but now it's available, and it's pretty much everything I hoped it would be. It is fantastic. It's beautiful, I gotta say, and at a price that you're getting for this here off their site, this goes for $76.89. And again, hey, put the NCN in there, you can get it for $69.29, I think. Yeah, and this is 14C28N steel. And TwoSun really knows how to put a razor sharp edge on a knife. And this is all beautifully milled titanium, and it's a Framelock, and it's got pretty decent lockup on it. Action on it is pretty smooth as well. Yeah, flicks right out. It's right hand tip up carry only, but that's all right. It is very comfortable in the hand, and overall we are looking at 8.03 inches, so might as well make use of this here. So yeah, there we are, just a smidgen over 8 inches, and the blade itself is, they say 3.43 inches, but I'm looking at just over 3.5. Maybe right on the money, depending on the cutting edge. Blade thickness on this is 0.146 inches, and closed handle is 4.5 inches. So yeah, let's see, 4.5 inches on the money. Yes, it is. And just to get a nice closer look at this beautiful satin blade is just fantastic. It's super sharp, and the grinds on it are beautiful. You can just really see how they do that there. It's really impressive. And a little more milling here for the handle. That does give you not a lot of traction, I gotta admit, but it's not going anywhere. As soon as your finger goes up into that neutral choil of a handle, I wear an extra large glove, and I'm actually able to get all four of my digits there on the main part of the handle. If you want to use the jimping on, or the thumb ramp on there, which does not have jimping, but it is a nice comfortable spot for your thumb to go into, you may want to have that pinky back there for doing that. So yeah, this is really nice. It's very nice reverse grip, and nice place for your thumb to really get a nice full grip into it. And gosh, I am just blown away by how beautiful it really is. And again, 14C28N steel, and yeah, it's very impressive. And there's no flicking that out, but it flicks out just fine that way. And yeah, it's quite nice. It's got the divot there to get plenty of thumb access for that. I always do the old reach around, would use my index and just pop it down. But yeah, it's got this nice lanyard part here that's pretty much out of the way. And let's just get another look at the design of this here. Got a beautiful titanium backspacer, and I didn't mention the weight. It's only 4.02 ounces, and it's a beauty. It does have jimping on the flipper, and I found this knife to be very much like another knife that's been in my wish list, and much more expensive. This does remind me very much of the Kaiser VK1, which is about 180 bucks. So for a considerably less amount of money, and for a very fine quality knife as you see here, It's really hard to beat, and I'm glad I got it. I think you would be too. So hope you liked the video, and feel free to give me a big old thumbs up. You're more than welcome to subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. So there you go. I'm going to do one last once over. And it's just really something else. And I really also like, before I do my little send-off, you can see how this is not just straight down, but it also kind of goes up. So having that forward, you are still at a very good point. And yeah, it's got a nice thickness to it, but it does come down to a razor sharp. And I don't want to do a disservice by not showing you that. So yeah, razor sharp, that's TwoSun for you. They really know what they're doing. So there you go. Once again, Newcastle Ninja here. This is the TwoSun TS298. And look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Take care.